Dito sa situation natin na ito, siguradong talo ka kasi Pinoy ka. 8. The Constitution Equal Protection Clause is violated by giving the chance of a favorable recognition between a Filipino and a foreigner on the one hand, but on the other hand, by assuring automatic rejection between a Filipino and a Filipino. Dito sa situation natin na ito, siguradong talo ka kasi Pinoy ka. The invocation of public policy will deny a remedy to Filipinos for what may be an injustice and an immuration in a relationship detrimental to their mental and physical health and well-being. The danger to our institution is to enhance or to carry on an obsolescent argument on public policy and morals. We have to look around. This is the distinctive power of the court in a petition for recognition of foreign judgment. To determine what is the public policy today by looking at the facts, looking around us, and then decide. And I submit, Your Honor, that it is time to abandon this outdated public policy and moral doctrine. Thank you.